should have updated my will before agreeing to off-world assignments.
You were not going to die, Coles.
Oh, come on, Felger. You might as well be wearing red shirts.
I don't get that.
Thank you for pressing the stop-destruct button. This ship will stop-destruct in 3 minutes.
That's a dilly of a pickle.
Help! Help! I'm being repressed!
Laugh it up, fuzzball.
These my heroes exist. This was a Trek convention. You'd all dressed up like a Klingon. Vulcan, Filger. Vulcan.
I'm a Mog. Half man, half dog. I'm my own best friend.
Intruder alert on deck 8.
Where'd she go?
I can't keep track of her when she's not incorporeally possessing a spaceship. Don't look at me.
That's some nonsensical crap. Ain't nobody can do that. You somewhere on this boat. Somewhere with the cows playing games. That's somewhat unsettling.
It is appropriate to refer to a person by their rank, not their salutation. You should call me Captain, not Doctor.